This is Ravi Kiran from YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you get-process command. So how to verify get-process on your machine and remote machine, so you can verify easily, and which services are running on background. So you can verify all the process related applications are running on this machine. So let's go get-process. Press enter, it will display all the services process running on this machine. So process name will be here, and these are the information: CPU, VM, uh, physical memory, like that. Everything will be displayed. So at the right now Chrome is running, and have Avast antivirus is running, and you can verify Google Updater background, it's running, Internet Explorer, PowerShell, notepad, and the receiver, SVC host, background Windows related services are running, and TeamViewer, and uTorrent, and VMware, few services are running. We can verify this all the services. Okay, let's go into the help of get-process. Okay, we are verifying get-process. Okay, Symfony is the gets the processes that are running on the local computer or a remote computer. This command can be used for local PC, and to remote PC also you can verify the processes. We have a syntax: get hyphen process hyphen name hyphen computer hyphen ID hyphen include username and hyphen. We have all the parameters here. So let's go into the more into the command. You can get the description. Okay, that the get hyphen process command let gets the process on local and remote computer without parameters, and get process gets all of the process on the local computer. You can also specify process by process name or process ID. You can verify with the process ID or process name also. Okay, let's have a examples. Hyphen example. If you want to know all the examples of each command, you can type space get hyphen process hyphen examples. You will get examples of get hyphen process. Press enter, you will see examples. First command is get hyphen process. We are able to see all the processes which are running on the local machine. Like that, you can verify with the name also. Get hyphen process win word comma explore pipe format hyphen list star. It will display win word and explore if these two are running, so it will show you. Let's verify that one. Get hyphen process. Okay, instead of win word I'm using notepad comma explore. Okay, pipe format hyphen less star. Sorry, command I mentioned extra C. So let's remove and press enter. Okay, now it's displayed all the services. Process is running with the notepad and explore. So see, now name, so process, and it's showing the explore internet explore, and it's showing the location of the path, and the physical memory npm, and AWS and VM, so CPU and file version. So it will display all the parameters. So these are the parameters for internet explorer. So if you go to another one, notepad. So here is a notepad running process. So process handles VM, ws, PM, and company, Microsoft Corporation, CPU, file version, notepad file version, and description, notepad product version. And the product, it's Microsoft Windows operating system. It's displays with the ID also. Like that, all the information will be displayed with the name. If you type format hyphen list with notepad and explore, you'll get all the information. Okay, let's go to another examples. um, yeah, see here a get hyphen process pipe where hyphen project object bracket dollar underscore working set hyphen gt to the 20 lakhs. This command all gets all the processes that have working set greater than 20 MB size. So if you want to verify the application which is running more than 20 MB, you can verify with this command. This is one. And fourth example, $a is equal to get hyphen process ps c colon get hyphen process hyphen input object $a pipe formatable hyphen view priority. So it displays this command list process the computer and the group based on their priority class. So you can verify the first command gets the all process on computer, then stores them in a $a variable. So I'll show you a next video variable. So how variable can be configured. So I'll show you next video. In next video you can learn about that one. And the fifth example, you can have multiple parameters. So you can add all the information. This is one, so it will display like this. So PowerShell is running with parameters npm, pm, ws, vm, cpu. So you can verify all this. And another example, get hyphen process PowerShell hyphen file version info. If you want to verify the file version of the application which is running process, you can verify with the get hyphen PowerShell. So if you want to verify, we can verify. You can simply drag paste, so it will show. See, our PowerShell version is showing 6.3 dot 9600. This is the product version. File version is 6.3. It's a file version, not PowerShell version. Okay, and let's go another example. Okay, file version is done. So let's go get hyphen process sql star. With the module also we can get all the information. So let's see the seventh example. Okay, and if you want to verify, you can copy. We don't have any SQL, so I'm using notepad. So here notepad, so hyphen module, so notepad related all the modules will be displayed with the notepad.exe. It related to all the linked DLL files which notepad application supporting files. It will be displayed. And next one, this is also variable is equal to. So I'll show you next machine, next video. Okay, and if you want to verify with the service name, get hyphen process. So with the name service, it will display all the services which are running with the name serve. If you want to verify with notepad, it will show the process. Okay, one running. You can verify with the information. So for our notepad we are having 8972 id. So if you want to verify with process id, you can type it will display all the services. So if you know that id 8972 notepad, so it will display directly. If you want to verify with another ID 2960, it will show RTL service. So if you want to verify it, um, team viewer service 2280, if it will display the team viewer service process. Like that, you can verify each and everything. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to share you a variable, how to configure variable on next video. Please visit my next video. Please click on, if you like this video, click on like and share, so that if new PowerShell beginners are there, so that they can learn PowerShell and how to execute all the commands. So click on my subscribe button on my YouTube channel, so that uh, click on bell icon also. If I upload any new videos, it will be alert to you to view the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.